very much familiar with definition of set, subset and superset. And if not, please check the link which is given in the description box. Today we are going to study about universal set and power set. First of all, we will study about universal set. What do you mean by universal set? Universal set is a big set. Which type of set? It is superset of each of the set which are under consideration. This is the definition. Let me take one example. Nowadays, in this lockdown period, you are at home. आप अपने घर से बाहर नहीं जा सकते. Only that you can move from one room to other. आप छत पर जा सकते हैं, आप अपने घर के अंदर ही घूम सकते हैं. Suppose ये आपके पास आपका घर है and you are sitting in this room only. So this room is subset of this house. This house is universal set for you. आप अगर इस घर से बाहर नहीं जा सकते तो ये घर आपके लिए यूनिवर्सल सेट है और आप इस घर के किसी भी पोर्शन में मूव कर सकते हो. यूनिवर्सल सेट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय लेटर कैपिटल U. Suppose there is a given question in which there are some sets. Set A is there. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3. Set B is there and -1, 0, 4, and set C is there. Suppose it is taken as 2, 3 and 5. And you are supposed to do some operations on it, right? Now, what is universal set? What may be possible universal set? In question, this is not in your hands that you choose according to you any universal set. According to question, some universal set may be given to you. Universal set may be, we can say this may be -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. आपके पास ये यूनिवर्सल सेट है. आप ध्यान से देखो, सेट A, B, C का कोई भी एलिमेंट ऐसा नहीं है जो इस यूनिवर्सल सेट से बाहर हो. सब एलिमेंट्स आपके जो है वो इस यूनिवर्सल सेट को बिलोंग करते हैं. तो अगर अब हम ध्यान से पढ़ें एंड इफ वी कोरिलेट द डेफिनेशन एंड दिस एग्जांपल, if there are some sets under consideration, these are 3 sets A, B, C which are under consideration, then there happens to be a set which is superset of each of these sets, right? So universal set is superset of A, universal set superset of B, this universal set superset of C, or in other words, A is subset of U, B is subset of U and C is subset of U. This is all about universal set. Now power set. What is power set? The set of all subsets of a given set A is called power set of A. Suppose you are given a set A. A is set, let us take an example 1, 0. The set of all subsets of a given set A. Let us write all the subsets of this set A. You know very well that null set is a subset of every set. Set itself is a subset of itself. हर सेट अपना सबसेट होता है. -1 element and 0, taking 0. These all are subsets of set A. If we take collection of these, now try to understand. Collection means अब ये जो सबसेट थे ये इस सेट का एलिमेंट बन गए. अगर ये अब ये कोई सेट नहीं है इन दिस कॉन्टेक्स्ट, अब ये क्या है? एलिमेंट है. देयर आर 4 एलिमेंट्स एंड पावर सेट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज PA. So PA, you are writing power set of A. So power set of A is equal to 5 -1, 0, -1, 0. Now these are the elements of this set PA. Again, one more thing. If a set A has n elements, then power set has how many elements? Power set has 2 raised to the power n elements. ये हमने लास्ट वीडियो में भी अच्छे से पढ़ा था कि सेट A के कितने सबसेट पॉसिबल है. इफ अ सेट A has n elements then it has 2 raised to the power n subsets. And what is power set? Power set is the collection of all the subsets of a set. You need to remember this. Let us take one more example to understand this concept. You are given a set A having elements 1, 2, 3. List all subsets of A and find PA also. First of all, let us write all the subsets of this set A. As you know very well, null set is a subset of every set. We take 1. That means we take all the possible combinations of these 3 elements. इनको हम 1, 1 करके लेंगे, फिर 2, 2 करके लेंगे, फिर सारे एलिमेंट्स इकट्ठे ले लेंगे. 1, 2, 3. Then we take 1, 2. You take 1, 2 or 2, 1. It makes no difference because you know that order of elements does not matter. Elements का order matter नहीं करता. 1, 2, 3 लिखते हैं या 3, 2, 1 लिखते हैं, 3, 1, 2 लिखते हैं, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. 1, 2, then 2, 3, and then 1, 3, and then all the elements 1, 2, 3 or set A itself. These are all the subsets of set A. Now power set of A. तो आपने ये हेडिंग डाला यहाँ पे कि subsets of A. Power set of A. If you put all these subsets in braces, तो आपको मिल जाएगा पावर सेट. ऑल द और ये सब सेट्स सबसेट है लेकिन है तो सेट. और अब जब हम इन सबसेट्स को फिर से सेट में डाल देंगे तो ये एलिमेंट बन जाते हैं. 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Let us check one more thing also. As we have written, if a set A has n elements, then power set has 2 to the power n elements. How many elements are there? 3. N is equal to 3. Then number of elements in power set. 2 raised to the power 3, that is 8. Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is a question for you that you are given a set A and fill in the blanks with the symbol belongs to or subset. 1 and A. What is the relationship? 1 is an element of set A, then 1 belongs to A. Similarly, 4 belongs to A. Now, if we put curly braces about 4, now it becomes a set. Then curly braces लगाने से जब 4 हमारा एक सेट बन गया, then what is the relation of this set with this set? This is subset of A. Now you can think कि 2 and 3 are also in curly braces, तो ये भी सबसेट होगा? No. क्यों? क्योंकि A के अंदर A सेट में ये 2, 3 कर्ली ब्रेसेस के साथ है. ये पूरा का पूरा जो लिखा हुआ है ये एक एलिमेंट है सेट A का, तो ये बिलोंग करता है सेट A को. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट. अब अगर हम इस कर्ली ब्रेसेस के अबाउट फिर एक कर्ली ब्रेसेस लगा देते हैं, हमें पता लगा था कि ये एक एलिमेंट है. एलिमेंट के अबाउट अगर हम कर्ली ब्रेसेस लगा देते हैं तो वो एक सेट बन जाता है. अब ये A का एक सबसेट है. नाउ दिस इज अ सबसेट ऑफ सेट A. 1, 4. We are taking 2 elements and both the elements belongs to set A. So 1, 4 with curly braces is a subset of A. Now 1, 2, 3 and this is put in curly braces, it is a subset of A. Right? I am taking one more question to make you clear the concept. आपके पास एक सेट A है, it has 2 elements. इसमें 2 एलिमेंट हैं 1 and this element. This is whole complete element. क्योंकि 0 1 when you have taken in curly braces and again you are taking this set in a set. जब किसी सेट को सेट के अंदर रखते हैं तो ये सेट अब एक एलिमेंट बन गया है, राइट. सो फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस अगर हम 0 1 को x सपोज कर लें तो इसमें कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. थोड़ी देर के लिए करा जिससे कि हमको लिखने में कन्वीनियंस हो. ये बड़ा है लिखने के लिए, इट इज़ बिगर इन साइज. अगेन एंड अगेन वी आर राइटिंग. सो लेट हमने इसको ऐसे कर लिया. देन a बिकम्स 1 comma x. Now you can understand this. You know that if there are two elements, how many subsets it has? It has 2 raised to the power 2. That means 4 subsets. Number 1 is 5, 1, x and 1x. That means set itself. So अब कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1 1. अगर हम x की वैल्यू फिर से रखें तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं 0 1 and 1 0. I hope now you have understood this topic. Now power set of this set you know very well. Power set means if you put braces about these, so it become power set of set A. And 1. That's all for this exercise today. When we meet again, we will do operations on sets. Till then, bye bye. Stay healthy, stay safe.